Top 10 skills and abilities of a data scientist. First is probability and statistics you have to know. So, predictive analysis and AI driven applications are both frequently incorporated into organizational process. So, an experienced data scientist with a knowledge of probability and statistics will be a very gem of a society. Then there is programming language and software. This you have to know. Okay, all the possible softwares and a good knowledge on this will be very useful. Then there is data wrangling. So data scientists frequently work with the raw and unstructured data. So in order to achieve the efficiency and timeline, it is very crucial to have a solid understanding of the data wrangling process. So data wrangling is, according to the experts, is a process of preparing the raw data and analysis by data scientists by cleaning and arranging into the required format and structure. Then there is database management you have to know. Then data visualization. So data visualization, according to experts, is a process of displaying gathered and evaluated data as a graph, table, and a pie chart. Okay, and then there is machine learning and deep learning also you need to know. So data science is divided into machine learning and deep learning. So these are contemporary technical applications that streamline corporate procedures and demonstrate how effectively human thought can be represented by computer systems. Then there is cloud computing. So this is a process of introducing the automation, timelines, and efficiency in the communication of organizing of the data and also information known as the cloud computing. So it involves employing IT infrastructure such as the servers, applications, data storage systems, and development tools. Then there is communication skills. Large data sets are transformed by the data scientists into easily digestible information that is used for the important business decisions. So in order to communicate with the complicated ideas and data discoveries of various departments, data scientists needs to adapt the simplifying them. Okay, so working with all these things, you can become a great data scientist.